Hi, everybody. Welcome to my YouTube page. I'm Tracie Mahan, and this is going to be a channel segment with Arcturian Daniel and friends. Before we get started, I wanted to announce I do have two different things coming up. I have it's going to be the Expanding into the Cosmos with Sacred Geometry, a Healer's Journey. That is going to be a 1 hour online, December 29th, 2 p.m. Pacific time. That's 5 p.m. Eastern. I don't know everybody's time zones, but if you could work with those two time zones and figure out your time zone, that would be great. That's going to be December 29th, 1 hour journey. We're going to be journeying into the cosmos. We're going to be using sacred geometry. The write-up for it was channeled in, so if you guys want to go read that, the link for that's going to be down below. The next thing that I have coming up will be January 18th and 19th, learning the light, medium, and deep trance states of channeling. And that is a 2-day workshop. The write-up for that's down below. The 2-day breakdown is down below, going into all the light, the medium, and the deep states of channeling. And then also there will be a bonus of light language and light language healing in that round of 2 days as well. Okay, so I'm going to go see what Daniel has to say for us for this energy coming in. We've had some really powerful messages, so I'm hoping more really juicy, good information will come through about what's going on in this energy. We've all been waiting for this, and now it seems to be we're in it. So let's go find out what they have to say. As you become more present, as you become in the moment with us, it will still the energy going on around you. If you have noticed, things feel like they're moving very fast. They are speedily going along. Things coming, going faster than you can even recall them. And as you have noticed, your memory is coming and going as well. And we just ask for you to pause in this moment and be in this moment with us right now. And the powerful energy of right now. As we all gather in this beautiful planet, we're seeing a lot of changes. We're hearing about a lot of changes. We have spoke to you before about more UFO sightings happening all around your world is going to start happening. And we told you that that would happen in the year 2024. And it was not so exciting in the beginning of 2024, but now you are hearing about it all the time. Things that cannot be denied are happening all around the world. And if you haven't noticed any of that, just go in and explore it a little. You will find it. There are many changes that are coming. We have told you there are a lot of ships in the area. There are a lot of UFOs around your planet. There's motherships around your planet. And there is a lot of activity going on right now. This is a big transition time for Earth, for humanity. There is a lot going on. And you will find in your own lives that changes can happen quite rapidly if you simply put your mind to it. And as you are in this creative place, as you are deciding and honing in what it is you would like to create for your reality, we hold space for that for you. There is many frequencies, many different collectives here right now. We spoke of the Lyrans being here calling on you for your love and compassion and kindness right now. We see many different beings, starseed families gathering around. Those of you who are connected to Lemuria, you will find that there is a lot of that energy coming in right now. There are similar energies going on with the planet right now that went on in your time in Lemuria. You are here because you know how to balance those energies. You know how to use this energy and to create frequencies that are beneficial for humanity at this time. So we call on you who identify with this energy. We call on you and ask you to be open to it, invite it in, if you will. And the highest and best good for you as you call in your gatekeepers to keep this balance with the highest and best energy. A lot of you are being called on right now, stepping into new phases of what it is you are here to do. Feeling that call, making the changes. Moving towards heart's desire is your compass. For those of you who say, I don't know how to know if I'm being called. I don't know how to incorporate that. Follow the heart. If the heart is asking you to learn more, learn more. If the heart is asking you to watch videos, watch videos. If the heart is asking you to take classes, take classes. If you are being asked to speak to people, speak to people. Maybe one or two at a time. It may be you're on stage in front of many. As your heart calls it, as you desire it, that is your compass. If it brings you joy, if it brings you excitement, that is your compass. Many of you have been called as sanctuaries for animals. Your hearts are connected to the animals of this planet, helping them to thrive and stay healthy and be safe. We thank you for your work. It is a powerful thing, and it is an amplifier of love when you do that. Animals bring in the most purest form of love, don't they? And as you are tending to them, as you are caring for them and protecting them, they feel it, they know it. And we thank you. As we scan the audience, as we see you all here, no matter when you're listening to this, we see you, we feel you, we sense you. The power is growing. The sharing, the igniting of hearts, of oneness, is expanding throughout humanity. More and more of you are finding your way to videos like these, finding your way to your truths, to what feels right to you. You are creating your realities. You are creating your realities. Please move your energy into that of desire, of your wishes and your dreams. Put your minds and your hearts on the things that you love, where you find joy. And if you are somewhere where you wish you were not, whether it be work or a relationship or a place in this world where you have residence, whatever it might be, we ask you, find a way to love the parts that you are in that you don't love so much right now. Find a way to thank it for its service. Find a way for this, whatever it is that it is showing you and teaching you, that you learn it quickly and swiftly so you may move on to something more joyful. Find the good that is happening. Find what you learned from the situation. Look to see where your resistance is or where your fear may be, so that you may launch out of this and into something much better. We like to say this from time to time. It is your turn. You are the one. It is your time now. It is your turn. It is your turn. You are worthy. You are deserving. It is your turn. You are loved. And it is time. And we thank you all for being here. We thank you for the support that you give Tracie when she brings these through, and you make your comments and you are supporting her in that. You must know sometimes it is not the easiest thing to bring these messages through. And so we thank you for your kind hearts, your loving words, and your support. We will scan the audience one more time. We feel necessary to do that. We find a weight on the chest, hardening of the heart. Somebody is struggling right now, or maybe more than one. Those of you who are struggling with the heart chakra right now, with feeling like it's not fair, not feeling the love, not feeling the way you would like to feel. It is weighing on your heart. The injustices are weighing on your heart. We say, get into your affirmations, get into your prayers. We'll do it with you right now. We thank you, universe. We thank you, creator, that it is time to let go of the injustices. It is time to let go of the hardships and the traumas. It is time to let go of the disappointments as we rise up together, as we all come together and rise up into love, into acceptance, into compassion and kindness towards one another. We thank you that all judgment is dropped. Our judgment and the judgment we feel from others has now dropped away. We thank you that you are helping us to shed these burdens. We thank you that you are bringing us into the light and into the comfort and into the love and into the acceptance that we are seen, we are heard, and we are valued in this place, in this earth, and in these bodies that we have encompassed. We thank you that you are bringing the light. You are bringing the light to us. We thank you that you are bringing demonstration and encouragement so that we understand we are on the right path and that this is our time. We thank you that you are showing us the way. We thank you that we have clarity, that we have energy, that we have enthusiasm, and that we have the spark in our heart to do what it is that we came here to do so we can be successful and we can fulfill our purpose. We thank you that you are bringing us into this right now and that we can let go of all the things that were painful along the way. We thank you that you are guiding us perfectly into this, and we thank you that you are showing us through how we feel in our bodies. You are showing us through healing in physical, mental, emotional states, spiritual states. We thank you that you are bringing us the right people at the right time to show us the right next place to be, the right next steps to take. We thank you that we are guided perfectly and that we are going directly into our beautiful, beautiful dreams, our love, and our new home, our new earth. We thank you, you are showing us the way and that we understand and that we are doing the steps it takes to get there. With great love and gratitude, we thank you. And with that, dear ones, we will let you go and we will bring Tracie back. We thank you so much. Please do not forget to bring in your Lyran counterparts. Please do not forget to bring in your benevolent, beautiful beings known and unknown to you into your lives right now for assistance and help as you move forward in your quest and your journey. And we thank you so much for the time that you took to listen to this video, and we will give you Tracie. Okay, you guys. Wow. I feel lots of gratitude. That felt wonderful to be in that prayer with them when they were saying it. And I'm so glad you guys are here with me. Please don't forget to click that like button. Go check out the journey with Daniel on the 29th. It's going to be powerful. It'll be fun. And don't forget, if you would like to learn more about channeling yourself, that's going to be January 18th and 19th. If you are in Australia, that would be January 19th and 20th. So please go check it out. And if you need help with your time zones, just email me and I'll see if I can help you out. Love you guys. Thank you. Thank you for all the support. And if you're new to my page, please click that subscribe button and that bell. It sure helps me out. We've had a big growth spurt here in the last week or so. Something got in the algorithms and it helped me grow a little bit there. And I thank you to all the new people that came to join us. I'm so happy you found us here. And with lots of gratitude and love, I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.